Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. My people, this video is just to show my appreciation to the leadership of IPOB. I want to say a very big thank you to Master Chike, who is the head of Directorate of IPOB, and also want to say a very big thank you to Master Simon Ekpa, the convener of Autopilot. May God bless you guys in Jesus' name. This is what leadership is all about. Our leader, Mazina Dekano, has been in the detention for some months now. And the IPOB leadership has been up and doing. I like the development. I'm so happy with what the leadership is doing. The DOSS, members of the DOS, may God continue to bless each and every one of you. And please, do not do not for 1 second think twice. Continue with what you are doing. We are fully in support. We are fully in support. All your programs, all your activities, all your actions are in order. It is a welcome development. Let me remind Biafrans that this kind of thing has happened before. The first time Mazena Dekano was kidnapped in Lagos, that should be in 2015 or 14. And then the deputy was Uchemefo. We, we all witnessed what happened. IPLB was dormant in that area. Nothing was happening. There was no activity. There was no program. There were just nothing. Kamaze Nandekane spent over 2 years in incarceration. There is a great difference between Maze Chikedozie and Uchemefo. Uchemefo was totally a wrong leader, a weakling. He shouldn't have been there at the first instance. Now, compare what happened then and what is happening now. Now, Mazichi Kedozien, who by virtue of his position as the head of the Directorate is the second in command, we all have seen what he's doing. Our leader was kidnapped in Kenya, brought to the zoo, and being put in the dungeon of DSS. And the programs that Chikedozie has marshaled out is wonderful. The sit at home is the camel's back. The one that breaks the camel's back is the sit at home. And they have gone on to pull down all Nigerian flags in Biafran territories. That is a welcome development. And I've seen him today being Sunday, the 3rd of October 2021. I saw him in Switzerland, shouting on top of his voices to world leaders, telling them about the atrocities going on in our land and calling upon their attention to set Biafra free. These are what we expect a leader to do. This is it. Lead by example. Who is leading by example? Chike Doziem, God bless you. And God continue to protect you and encourage you. I also want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to IPOB legal team, headed by Barrister Fanny Jofo, Mwachineke, Ogadregima. You guys are doing a great work for us. We shall never forget your children, your children's children, till the end of the earth shall always be remembered, appreciated, honored, and assisted in any point of their need. So, my people, this is all I have to say regarding this video. It's just to let Biafrans know that when Uchemefo was the deputy leader of IPOB, things were not going well. As a matter of fact, the man was a coward and a weakling, and he has demonstrated that in his ways. When Mazen Nandi was kidnapped, when Mazen Nandi Khan was kidnapped in 2015 or thereabouts and put in incarceration, We all see that IPOB was dormant, no activity and no program, and nothing was happening. And many people left the struggle because of Uchim first inaptitude. And now that the new man has come on board, we all are witnesses to what is happening these days. IPOB is still acting and moving with force as if our leader is still with us. He's still very much in his position. But we all know that our leader is in a dungeon of the DSS. And Mazi doesn't have taken up the challenge, marshalling the struggle forward, doing what is expected of him. In fact, I never believed that Mazi doesn't will go this length. May God bless this man. May God keep you. May God guide you. These are a real Biafran, a true Biafran. This is a man we should all emulate. Please, those of you who are castigating him should henceforth stop. Stop. The man have shown to all and sundry that is not going to be a sellout. He have shown to everybody that he is a true Biafran, a true deputy, a true son of the soil. We move. Mazi Kedozim, well done. Your sit at home was excellent. The pulling down of Biafran flags, pulling down of Nigerian flags in Biafran land, even banks comply, government offices comply, NEPA offices comply, every organization, every school, university, what have you, they all complied. That shows you that Biafrans are solidly behind you. Keep it on. And I also saw you today at the top of your voices telling the world leaders why Biafra must be free and the life of Biafrans must be protected. I want to use this opportunity to also say a very big thank you to Mazi Simon Ekpa. Yes, I saw the letter he delivered to the Finland president and the acknowledgement. Also, I witnessed everything and I said, may God bless you. Simon, the day I started respecting you was the day you disgraced Barrister Emekesre. Yes, I've been listening to you. I've been following you. But I never knew that you have all these things up here. I never knew. I like your programs, love what you're doing, but I never knew how deep you are, how knowledgeable you are, how intelligent you are, how smart you are. The day you disgrace Emeka, a barrister of law, a British lawyer, a legal luminary, or whatever they call it, a man who is championing a struggle, the day you nail him down, disgrace him in that interview regarding the best way to actualize Biafra, the way you disgrace that man, that day you earn my respect. I begin to follow you bumper to bumper. Samuel, God bless you. Dike Kebo. I want to also say a very big thank you to every Biafran, men and women. Omada Jisenike, my people, it is time to say goodbye. May God continue to bless and uphold us and keep us and give us our heart desires. Thank you. Bye.